Hi, konnichiwa. I'm Asuko Sensei, your Japanese teacher. Today I'm talking about this kanji word. Have you ever seen this kanji word? The first kanji means deep red, and the second kanji means leaves. So it means autumn red leaves. Yes. So when we mean this kanji word as autumn red leaves, we read this kanji word as koyo. Koyo means red leaf. Okay? But this kanji word also have another meaning. It means maple leaves. Okay? Maple leaves, yes, normally they turn red in autumn. And then when we mean this kanji word as maple leaves, we read it as momiji. Momiji. Okay? So this is maple leaf. Okay? So the one kanji word, two readings. Okay? And then each reading represent different meaning. Yes, so we can use this word, this kanji word, and then two meanings in one sentence. So for example, I can say もみじの紅葉を見に行きました。Yeah, so this sentence means momiji, maple leaves, 紅葉, red leaves, 見に to see, 行きました went. So I went to see beautiful red autumn maple leaves. Yes, so this sentence means that. We also use this word as もみじ狩り。もみじ狩り。Yes, another word. So もみじ狩り。もみじ in this case it means even though we read it as もみじ, but もみじ is a kind of representative of all red leaves in autumn. So this word means the red leaves or autumn leaves viewing. This word 狩り, we pronounce it as 狩り because もみじ part is attached to this word and then make a long big word. So もみじ狩り, so か change to が, but 狩り means hunt, hunting. Yes, so it sounds like you hunt autumn leaves, but it doesn't mean you pick them up, yeah, or you collect them. Actually, this word means to view and then appreciate beautiful autumn leaves, and then yeah, red maybe, but yellow, oranges, yes, any autumn leaves. So もみじ狩り, we say もみじ狩りに行きます. It means go and then appreciate autumn leaves. Yes, maybe you've heard お花見. Ohanami. Ohanami means cherry blossom viewing, and then so ohana means flower. Yes, hana is flower, and then o show our appreciation to flowers. So ohana is a little bit politer word, means flower. And then this kanji, same as this one. So miru, it means see. So ohanami means looking or seeing flowers. And then our flowers are sakura, of course. So ohanami means cherry blossom sakura viewing. Normally ohanami is a kind of picnic. We went outside and then picnic mat and then gather together with friends and then eat picnic lunches and then singing, drinking, chatting. Very a kind of noisy event for us or hanami because it's spring, that's nice weather. But momijigari normally we walking in the woods or mountainside and then appreciate autumn leaves. So that's momijigari. And then ohanami is cherry blossom viewing. Yes. So today I'm talking about this kanji word. We have two pronunciation, koyo and then momiji. And then koyo means red leaves in autumn and the momiji means maple leaves. But also momiji is a kind of representative of all autumn leaves. So that's why we have the word momijigari, means go outside and then appreciate beautiful nature in autumn. さよなら、またね